In 2001, we introduced a product that was called Microflora Restore, and it was used in conjunction with our liver and colon cleansing program to replenish the intestinal bacterial flora of the body. Subsequent to that, when we reintroduced the product a few years ago, it was called Microflora Restore 2. And more recently, we've introduced a Microflora Restore 3. The purpose of this video is I want to point out that whether you buy from us or not, you should be taking probiotics regularly from a reputable source. I'm going to tell you why. Because in my research, I've discovered that when we can thank Monsanto for this, the proliferation of glycosates has produced a situation where it's increasingly difficult for the body to function, and this leads to all other kinds of health problems, where you're regularly ingesting compounds that stay in the body and kill bacteria. How can you have healthy intestinal flora when you're eating foods that contain something that's guaranteed to kill the bacteria in the lower intestines? It's crazy. It's craziness. And I did speak to a soil scientist in Iowa, I believe it was 2 years ago, and he said that we're headed in a direction where without taking probiotics regularly, you're not going to be able to live normal human life. You're not going to be able to digest your food properly. That's the direction that we're headed into. So whether someone gets their probiotics from us or they get it from another source, it doesn't matter. From somebody, you should be regularly ingesting a full-spectrum probiotic designed to help replenish your intestinal flora. It's essential. It's sad that it's come to that. It's sad that we can't just get what we need from yogurt, kefir, other fermented foods. Isn't that sufficient? Well, it's getting to the point where it probably isn't, and that's very sad. But that's the current state of the human condition.